Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Lux highlight. I'm looking at our chassis prep area. I wanted to reiterate our insulation again. Remember, we're talking about a lot of full-timers that are using our units. So what we're doing here, we're putting two different barriers of insulation. We've got a foil, radiant, reflective barrier in here first. Then we're putting a batting insulation all throughout. Walls, the bottom, everything is insulated in this. Then we're putting a 3-inch floor that is also a cage, aluminum welded cage construction with insulation in the floor. So when this is sealed, you have a fully insulated underbelly. 3 forms of heat. Ask us about the 3 forms of heat. 844-284-6678.